In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card on Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, whether you're working on a collaborative team task or managing personal to-do lists. Let's walk through the process step by step, making it easy to follow along and set up your first Trello card. First, you'll want to visit Trello.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button at the top of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can log in either using your email or, for added convenience, your Google account. Enter your credentials and continue to your Trello boards. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to a page displaying all your boards. This is where all the action happens. Navigate over to the section labelled Your Workspaces. This is where you'll find all the boards associated with your account. Search through your boards and select the one where you wish to add your new card. Once inside your chosen board, glance over to the list where you want to add a card. Look for the Add a Card button, usually located at the bottom of each list. Click on this, and a small window will pop up prompting you to name your card. Picking a descriptive name is key as it helps you quickly identify what the card is about at a glance. Now once your card is named, click on it to open and start customizing it. This is where Trello really becomes useful. First up, you might want to add a checklist. Checklists are perfect for breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Find the button labelled checklist and click on it to start listing out items you need to tackle. Next, you may want to add labels to your card. Labels are color coded and can help you categorize cards quickly. Click on the labels option and select as many labels as you need. This visual marker will simplify the process of scanning through numerous cards in your lists. Time for scheduling. Click on dates to set either a start date or a due date. Enter the desired dates to keep on top of your deadlines. This feature will ensure that tasks remain on track and don't fall by the wayside amidst a busy schedule. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of the card action panel and click on the Save button. With that, your card is set up and ready to go. And there you have it, you've successfully created a card on Trello, complete with checklists, labels, and due dates. Now you're equipped to keep your projects organized and on track. Happy organizing, and thanks for tuning in.